Bosch cooktop induction. Want to cook something but turn on, choose this one and start, and it's error number 3, or it's some error like this. Normally must switch it off and on again from power. Here down I don't have a possibility to get to this to take it out. Maybe you have, so just take out and set it back. So I must go in my fuse box. I turn off fuse and wait 10 seconds and turn on again. So turn off, go to fuse box. Here is my fuse box. I have here, right, so my fuse is number 1. Turn off. Wait. Around 10 seconds. And turn it on again. Okay, and go check how it. Now turn it on. Choose this one and finish. Now it's working. So it's, you must make restart. Take out from power socket. Bye bye.